we are doing some more work on the Team Lethal Mustang giveaway car. And here they are, all boxed up. Velgen Classic5 V2s in gloss black. Let's unbox this, take a look at these wheels. Actually, I was able to take a peek at them before. These things are sick. Look at those things. Oh my God. All right, guys, I just got word that the new wheel and tire setup showed up for the Team Lethal Mustang giveaway car. Let's go inside, take a look, and see what we got. Oh, man. Here they are. Check it out, guys. Not only is this car going to make a whole bunch of power, handle awesome, and sound great, it's going to look sick, too. What we got here is some Velgen Classic5 V2s in gloss black. We're doing 20 by 9.5 up front and 20 by 10.5 in the rear. We've got some Atturo tires, the 850 AZ850DRs, and the regular ones for the fronts there. Check these wheels out, guys. Definitely gonna be a really nice upgrade to our 2022 Mustang GT giveaway car. That's gonna be powered with that Whipple Supercharger kit, the full BMR suspension on there, the Kooks Headers, the AWE exhaust, everything going on the cars looking sweet. So check these puppies out. These are so nice, man. Big shout out to Velgen for being a part of our build. We've been selling their product for a while now. Those guys do an awesome job. Not only do they sell wheels for Mustangs, they have a whole bunch of other models and platforms that they cover with a bunch of different finishes. These look really nice, so gloss black. Actually, the wheels on the car from the factory are gloss black, and I think it looks really good with that carbonized gray metallic color, so these are definitely gonna pop. Fill up that gap in the wheel well, and definitely have some nice meat on those wheels here. We got those fat tires going on, so there you go, guys. Remember to head on over to lethalperformance.com today. Every dollar that you spend with us gains you an entry to our Team Lethal Mustang giveaway car that ends on May 31st. All right, we're giving away the car fully built up. You can follow our whole build series on Lethal Performance's YouTube channel. And remember, not only we're giving away the car and all the mods, but 10 grand in cash as well. Head on over there for the official rules and details of our giveaway. Let's take these over to WBA Performance, get them mounted up, and slap them on the car. Let's do it. I'm exhausted. I just carried those wheels and tires over there. That was a workout, I'll tell you that. I almost hurt myself, but thankfully I was wearing my Sneaky Snake protected cap over here. So I'm gonna pop on side here, say what's up to WBA Performance. These guys can be doing the work on the mounting, and hey, there he is, TJ! Hey, you wanna look at oh, there you go. Yeah, I know, right? Seriously, it's gone already. No, it's gone. The Eclipse. All right, WBA Performance. These guys will be mounting up the wheels and the tires for the Team Lethal Mustang giveaway car. Here they are. You ready to mount these things up? We're gonna do this or what?
Ready to roll.
All right, awesome. Let's do it. My God, the Team Lethal Mustang giveaway car is looking fresh, guys. Another round of mods installed on the car. We've got the Velgen Classic5 V2s in gloss black, 20 by 9.5 up front, 20 by 10.5 in the rear with some Atturo tires. We've got the AZ850s up front, as well as the AZ850 drag radials in the rear, and it looks awesome. Guys, I'm telling you, this, like, the stakes keep on going up right now. We used to give away swag packs, we did supercharger giveaways, and now we're giving away this car fully built up and 10 grand cash. It's coming along great. Make sure to head on over to lethalperformance.com to place your orders. Every dollar that you spend with us gains you an entry to winning this bad boy right here. You guys have any questions, give us a shout at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here.
Hello?